Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and you're watching Droid Crunch. I am Lokesh Kapoor and in this video we're going to talk about Anyword. Anyword is one of the very popular AI writing tools and is being used by the marketers, entrepreneurs and agencies, mostly ad agencies and content agencies I would say. And it can be used very confidently for email writing, for blog writing, for social media copies, for product descriptions, for CTAs and lot of other things. There are multiple use cases as listed here. That includes meta description generator, blog post generator and many such other things. Like any other tool, it offers you all the use cases and as you can see here there are like many reviews and it's reviewed very highly on G2, Captera and platforms like Trustpilot, and it is high performer as well in the 2023 spring and leader in 2023 spring. And marketers using Anyword see a 30% lift in business results is just kind of a conclusion or analysis done by them probably. And yeah, you can use it, but before you dive in, let me quickly show you what are the features and how you can utilize it. So let's quickly log in, and here is my dashboard where you can see all the recent activities. You can copy leaderboard, you can set a target audiences, you can manage your audience from here, and using a data driven editor you can create some content. And here all the copies, the prompts, the ads, whether you want to create Facebook ad, Twitter ad or any kind of ad, and landing pages content if you want to create. You want to create social media content, you create email content, they're all templates. So basically these are only the templates, the prompts that are categorized pretty well. So if you click on any of the template, you will be able to see the steps or the required information that you have to put here and then generate, and you will get some responses, and then you can copy them and use them wherever you want. Okay, and then there is a long form blog wizard using which you can create some long form content, like just get the blog post you want to create. So I want to create a blog post about creating a capsicum pizza. Okay, and let's click on next, and here we can say target keyword capsicum, you can say pizza, and you can say recipe. So only two it is accepting, and we can also provide the related keywords that are closely tied to the target keywords, like recipe and making of pizza. Okay, now let's click on next, and we can also add keywords even after clicking on the next, and then it will just generate a couple of interesting titles for you. So you have to give it a description about what you want to create, then the few targeting keywords, and then you can generate the title. The title can be generated even after this, because if you don't like them you can regenerate them. And so this is looking good, step-by-step guide to making capsicum pizza. Now you can also write your own title if you already have manually done the research to create a better title. Then you can write your own title here, and let's click on next, and then you can create some outlines of the content. So here are all outlines generated by the AI, so you can easily manipulate them even further. But now let's keep to these type outlines. That includes choosing the right capsicum, making the duff, preparing the sauce, adding toppings, baking the pizza, tips for perfecting your capsicum pizza. Now let's click on the next, and it will generate the intro paragraph for your article. Okay, so welcome to the world of capsicum pizza. This blog post will provide you. Okay, so this looks like attention grabbing content. Okay, so these kind of content in take into account the AIDA, PAS, and all those kind of strategies of writing content. So that's why Google love it as well. So now let us quickly continue to the editor. As well as setup is complete to rewrite the content. Now it is having an intro or outlines. Okay, these are all outlines that we decided. Now we can regenerate the paragraphs. We can enable some prompts, like write something about, write a fun fact about capsicum pizza. Okay, and we can also include some keywords here like capsicum. We can say pizza. Okay, let's click on here and let us generate. So this way, using the prompts, you can write the content. Okay, it generated the content based on this prompt. Now you can generate the content inside of headings choosing the right capsicum. Okay, you can generate them right away, or you can include the prompt, enable a prompt, and ask the writer to, or the AI to write something very relevant what you want. Okay, so now it has written the content inside a heading. You can customize it before you use on your publishing website. Now you have all other headings. You can generate the content inside your headings easily. You can move your sections. Okay, and you can easily check the section for plagiarism by clicking here, provided you have some limits or credits for the same. You can delete the sections, okay, easily, and this way you can create all your content and you can copy it to the clipboard. You can see all your words here, and you can also set a brief. Okay, this is what we had done, and you can also reface and check for plagiarism. And now we have this copy intelligence feature where we can see some copy assets, the campaign names, the impressions, asset types. Okay, so this is just kind of a demo, but if you have this feature, you will be able to see the insights of some high performing ads copies, and you will be able to utilize those data to create some perfect ads for your campaigns as well. And this includes Google ads, Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, and also includes website intelligence that contains some ads from the Google as well. Okay, and you can also copy intelligence platform connecting to marketing channels to Anyword and create high performing copy generating models tailored for your business. For all these features, you will have to have a pro plan. Okay, then you can also have this brand voice feature where you can stay on brand with brand rules. You can create a list of do's and don'ts to help Anyword stay in your branding guidelines, and you can add some rules by clicking on here, like the terms. Okay, some flags, like we will flag if we replace with alternative is defined, we will suggest to use it instead. Okay, so you can replace it with something like this. If in the content anywhere account statement is used, you can say replace it with bank statement. Okay, or you can go with the flag and don't generate option, where it will refrain from generating if this term is found in the user created copy. We will flag and suggest the replace with term option. And you can also some descriptions and tags for this rule. This is copy bank, so that you can keep your copy on brand with copy bank. Copy bank assets enable anyone to access information unique to your company and products, ensuring that every piece of content that Anyword generates accurately represents the brand voice. Okay, to begin, you can try adding your company bio or mission statements. Okay, from here there were some branding rules, and here are some bank assets that you can include so that your content specifically is aligned with what you want. So you have some custom formulas and some targeted audiences. Okay, so this is basically for you to help Anyword create some customized content for your brand, and so that you are always aligned with what you want, and you don't have to check your content for multiple things that are related to your branding voice or whatever it is called or said. But yeah, this feature is very helpful. Again, very helpful for a client, if you're an agency working for your clients and your clients have some branding advice or branding guidelines, and you can follow them using the brand voice feature of Anyword. And this tool is very, very competitive compared to what other tools are putting on the table in the market. So Anyword is just priced at, I guess, $39, and you can use it for like a month, and there are unlimited keywords, one seat, so you don't have any limit about getting content using the AI, and you get to access all the features of it, except a few that are available in some custom price and data driven themes. But when you compare this pricing with some other tools like ScaleNet, you can compare and see that for the $47 you are getting unlimited words here, and for the $29 per month you are getting only 1 lakh words for a month. And when you compare, you can see the difference. But yeah, on ScaleNet also you get some cruise mode and some advanced features, some Chrome extension as well. So yeah, that's very, very useful. But when you look about the branding feature and some key sensitive data that Anyword generates and the quality of the content that it gives, you can see what it gives. But if you want to check by yourself like which software would be best for you, then you can head over to the description box, and there you can find a link to sign up for free, and you can test the software for approx 30 days, and it will be enough for you to analyze what difference it can make in your business. Then some other softwares are there as well, like Jasper. It is one of my favorite software, I would say. I would not shy away from saying this because the UI of the software is quite appealing, and everything is just seamless, and there are like millions of users using Jasper with confidence as well. But coming back to Anyword, both are very, very competitive, and both are selling their monthly starting plan at only $39. So it just makes a very competitive choice, like whether you should go with Jasper or Anyword. But yeah, if you are an agency or a big business looking to create some quality and assured and confidence kind of content that you can trust on, or you don't have to get or repent later on, like whether you invested in the right software or not. So considering all those aspects, I would say that you can go with Anyword. But if you want to create quick content, you want to test out AI or do some bot things, commands and whatever, then you can go with the Jasper. Both are very, very useful software. If you are a content agency, your business is related to content, then you should go with either Jasper or Anyword. For the long form content, I would suggest you go with Anyword, and if you are looking for copies kind of content and some quick content generation, then you can go with Jasper. And yeah, if you want to check the free trial of Jasper, you can check out the link in description, and there you can get some free credits, and you will be able to check and see whether this software is useful for your business or not. So this was all for this video. I will be back next with a very useful video very soon. So thanks for watching. Have a beautiful day.